Hey boos, y'all already know I'm back with another tutorial. One of my boos asked me to do a tutorial on how to make digital paper inside of Canva. So y'all already know I love digital paper. You can use this for any of your backgrounds, for any of the designs that you're making, or you can just sell it as a pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you now exactly how to do that. As you can see, I'm already in Canva. I've been making digital paper today. So this is the furthest that I got so far. I normally try to make it at least like a 20 pack. You can do it however many you want to do it. I normally do it by tens, but you can do whatever is best for you, however you want to sell them. So what I'm going to do first is just going to hit the plus sign, and I'm just in a regular 1080 by 1080 pixel squares. And I'm just going to open up a Canva here. I'm going to delete that color, but we are going to go ahead and choose a color. And so the first thing I do is I just choose a color here. And then I go to the plus sign and I go to gradient, which I already have here, and I just type in gradient under elements, and then I find the gradient that I want to use. I normally try to use one that has two colors that I can change at the bottom. As you can see, here is a color that I can change, and then I also have the purple that I can change as well. So I always try to choose a gradient that has two that I can change the colors on. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on top of my pink here. And then from there, I'm just going to pick the colors that I want that looks best with this, and which I really like this, so I'll keep it like that. And then I'm just going to go over to transparency, and I'm going to turn the transparency just down just a little bit. And that's it. And that is how you make digital paper. It is so easy, y'all. You can make as many as you want to. You can duplicate it and just change the colors as you go to make it easier for yourself. And then I can also show you how to do a mock-up as well with your digital paper. And so what I'll do is I'll just hit the plus sign once you're done with all your digital papers. And then I'm going to go to my digital paper folder. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose one of my papers that I made here. And then what I'll do is I'll hit effects. I'll go to shadows. I'll hit the glow effect. And I'll go in there and I'll turn the transparency up just a little bit. Turn the sides up just a little bit. Turn the blur down just a little bit. And just get it to as best as you can. You want to make it kind of look like paper. So I'm going to leave it like that and hit done. And then I'll do another one just to show you an example. And sorry if you hear any cars in the background, I am outside. And so we're going to hit the plus sign again, and I'm just going to choose another paper here that I created. I'm going to go to effects again. I'm going to go to shadows. I'm going to hit the glow effect. And since I already did everything how I want it to be with the transparency, I don't have to do anything with that. So I'll go ahead and hit done. And then once I have it to how I like it, I just turn it. And then I duplicate that for everyone. So that way it just looks like a paper effect. You give it like that flow effect. So I just kind of make it look cute. And then at the very end, this is how it should look. Let me see if I have an example for y'all. And it should look like this once you're done. It should be a pile of papers like this. So I hope that helps. If you have any other questions about how to make digital paper, feel free to ask me in the comments. And y'all already know I'm coming with another tutorial. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.